Welcome back, viewers! Today, we're about to embark on an exclusive journey, stepping inside the historic walls of Balmoral Castle. But hold on to your seats, because there's a royal twist to this story. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the majestic facade of Balmoral Castle? Well, wonder no more. King Charles III is breaking tradition and inviting the public inside the cherished Scottish retreat. But there's a catch, it comes with a royal price tag. Until now, tours of Balmoral Castle have been limited to the grounds and ballroom, allowing visitors a glimpse into its royal heritage. But brace yourselves for a royal upgrade. King Charles III is unveiling small group tours, offering an intimate look into the inner sanctum of the castle. For a princely sum of £100, or £150 with afternoon tea, lucky visitors will wander through the hallowed halls once graced by the late Queen herself. Picture this, the drawing room, dining rooms, and even the Red Corridor, where King Charles met with Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, all open for exploration. But wait, there's more! This isn't just any ordinary tour. It's a chance to experience history firsthand, to witness the love and legacy passed down through generations of the royal family. And if that isn't enough to pique your interest, the king is throwing in a bonus, his own personal artworks on display, adding a touch of royal flair to the Aberdeenshire estate. So, mark your calendars from July 1st to August 4th, and seize the opportunity to immerse yourself in the grandeur of Balmoral Castle. But remember, tickets are limited, so act fast. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below.